Buzz Lightyear. I come in peace.
That's right, guys. It's about to go down. What's up, guys? I'm your boy Ryan Core, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you like dope art and you like to be entertained, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button along with the bell notification so you can be notified when I'm dropping that heat. Guys, I'm going to paint one of the characters from my favorite Pixar Disney movie, and that is Buzz Lightyear.
He has been chosen.
Hey, what are you doing? Stop it! Stop again, salads!
So, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and sketch Buzz so we can paint him. We got Buzz all sketched out, so let's grab some paint and get to painting.
You are a sad, strange little man, and you have my pity.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going?
Hey, back in that bag again. Don't bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook. No, I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in. Hit from the back, that was splattering. Calling her friend, tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a gathering. They
I
loving
said,
that
baby, nah, I'm Matic now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching and dishing. Back in my bag, going back again.
I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk and be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office.
Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? And you should know that we on this forever. You don't know me well, just ask again. And you should know that I'm with all the why you sit down and just watch the film? And you should know that Khan got a bottle of Don, feeling like Julio, pass it in. Mine on some M's, going in. Back in that bag where I'm going again.
I'm dunking on them, just lower the rim. Free my it's all in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again. If she with me, you know she a 10. If she a Barbie, you know I'm a Ken. Rolling some dope and sipping some gin. It's always been us, it never was them. Back in my bag, they know it's a gem.
Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I finished painting Buzz. Now I have to do is tape him up and paint the background. Then I'm done with him completely. But I have no idea what I want to do with the background.
And there seems to be no sign of intelligent life anywhere.
I guess I'll just have to tape and think at the same time.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
I just finished taping up Buzz. Now it's time to paint this bad boy so we can finish this thing up, because boy, it took me forever and I'm ready to be done with it.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going down my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah.
Look guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. It was a long fight. A very long fight.
And you, my friend, are responsible for delaying my rendezvous with Star Command.
And I didn't expect it. But you know what? When you're a full-time artist, you gotta expect the unexpected. When I started this painting, I thought I was gonna get it done, show you all, and everything was gonna be good. Nope. Got a few commissions in between. Derailed the whole plan. But you know what? It's alright. We got through it. We fought and we got through it. And you know, we're here now. We're here now. And I know what you all are all thinking. I know what you all are all thinking. So let me just put it out there and we can just move along. All right? B-roll, please.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. time when I find myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight.
Alright, that was the painting. It turned out super dope. So of course, it gets a certified dopeness. Let me know what you all think about the painting in the comments down below. And I'm so glad that this painting is finally done. It took long enough, but it turned out beautiful. I also plan on painting Woody to complement Buzz, so stay tuned for that. But if you would like to purchase this painting, you can find it on my website at rottencoreart.com, or if you would like to commission me to paint something dope for you, you can also contact me on my website. Thank you all for always stopping by, showing your love and support. Always, thank you so much. Until next time, I love you all. Peace!
Yeah, I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey.